Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites. Remove payment methods tied to your current country and cancel subscriptions that block a country switch. Next, create or prepare a Japanese Google Payments profile. You need a Japanese address and a payment method, or use a local gift card. Sign into the Google account you want to change. Once done, make sure your Play Store is closed. Then clear Play Store cache and data, so the store will reevaluate account locale when you reopen it. Now actually change the country. Open Play Store, tap your profile, go to Settings, then Account and Device Preferences and choose Country and Profiles. If Japan appears, select it and follow prompts to add a Japanese payment method. This writes your new country. If Japan does not appear, enable a Japan VPN, clear Play Store app data, and relaunch the store. It should detect a Japan profile option. Make sure you use the account tied to your payments profile while completing this step. Finish by restarting your device and opening Play Store to confirm Japanese apps and JPY pricing. This verifies the change took effect. Reinstall region-specific apps and resubscribe where needed, because some purchases don't transfer between countries. If the country still shows the old one, remove and re-add your Google account or clear data again while connected to a Japan VPN. One key troubleshooting tip: if changes fail, check your Google Payments profile region and correct address information before retrying or contacting Google support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.